Hello, my name is Scott Smith from C&S Cleaning Services. There's one of our trucks right there. You can see we're at a client's house and it's fall. So it's getting a little bit cooler outside. The sunsets are still looking beautiful. But most of all, a lot of people worry about getting their carpets clean in the winter because of all the heat escaping. Well, that's why we use one of these special door kits. That seals out the cold and seals in the warmth that you already paid for that's in your house. The truck mount units that we use, they create up to 240 degrees worth of hot water no matter what time of year it is, whether it's 10 below or if it's 105 degrees outside. So if you need us, give us a call, but don't worry about the winter. We got you covered with our door kit. Each one of our trucks is equipped with one of these, and that way we keep your house warm, your pets inside safe, and most of all, we'll get your carpet clean and dry in the middle of winter the way you need it, when you need it. So, alright guys, I greatly appreciate your time, and if you need us, give us a call. C&S Cleaning Services, 814-547-1848. Thanks.